Hello, welcome to another edition of English Studies. Our topic today is Reading and Listening 6. Reading and Listening Part 6. So, our topic or the title of our reading and listening today is My Cats. My Cat. Pat is my black cat. Pat likes to sit on her mat. Pat likes to sit on her mat. She will take a nap on her mat. Pat is a good cat.
Now it's your turn to read. Now it's your turn to read.
Now let's move over to our questions. Question number 1. Who is Pat? Who is Pat? A. My dog. B. My cat. C. My bird. Now it's your turn to answer. Pick from any of the options. Okay, the correct answer is my cat. Pat is my cat. Now, over to the next question. Number 2. Where does she sit? Where does she sit? A. On a log. B. On a bed. C. On her mat. Now it's your turn to answer. Pick from the options the correct one. Now the correct answer is C. On her mat. On her mat. Now question number 3. What will she do? What will she do? A. Take a nap. B. Run and jump. C. Eat a snack. Now pick your answer. Yes, the correct answer is A. Take a nap. Take a nap. Okay, we'll move over to another session, which is spell the words below. Spell the words below. Number 1, cats. Number 1, cats. C-A-T, cats. Number 2, like. L-I-K-E, like. Number 3, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Number 4, sit. S-I-T, sit. Number 5, take. T-A-K-E, take. Number 6, nap. N-A-P, nap. Number 7, math. M-A-T, math. Number 8, good. G-O-O-D, good. Now over to our spellings. Over to our spelling. So you have to spell the words from your new words. You have to spell from your new words. Number 1, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, number 1, spell cat. Number 1, spell cat. Number 2, spell nap. Number 2, spell nap. Number 3, spell sit. Number 3, spell sit. Number 4, spell like. Spell like. And the last one, are you ready? Number 5, spell good. Spell good. Yeah, and we have come to the end of reading and listening 6. See you in the next class.